Everyone, welcome to week 6. We're trudging along in our content. It's a beautiful snowy morning, Monday morning. Woke up to lots of snow, which I guess is typical for February. Pretty soon we have reading week. Maybe some of you are going away, maybe some of you are staying here and suffering along with me, but we are getting a break soon, so that's nice. Maybe some of you love the snow, which if you do, then you'll be very happy this morning. This week we have a couple of new topics that we're going to discuss: nutrition and then whitening. So going into the week 6 folder here, just bringing you through it. Learning outcomes as usual are posted here. This week your presentations are due. Don't forget to hand them in Thursday by 11:59 p.m. uploaded to Blackboard. Keep in mind you can't upload the video, it just needs to be the URL from YouTube, and then I will then go to YouTube to watch it. There are 2 PowerPoints this week. There's some videos to watch regarding whitening, white strips. There is an document here that is the Georgian College whitening protocol, so you'll need to make sure you've read through that. Here's where you can link to hand in assignment 1. Assignment 2 is just posted here again for your ease to be able to click into it. And then presentation reflection is not due until next week, but I put it here just to get you thinking. So once you have uploaded your videos to me Thursday, Friday I'll take a look briefly at them and just take the URL codes and the URL and post it into a document for you so that everyone will have access to those videos. I will just briefly be looking at them to make sure they work, and then I'll post them for you Friday or Saturday. And then by next week, the end of week 7, you're going to do a reflection on 3 of the videos that you watched. So you can certainly, as soon as I post them, start to watch them, or you can wait. But essentially, this is basically the discussion board / journal for the week 7. It is private, and it's a journal page, not a discussion board. So, and then at the end of the week, you just want to go through your weekly checklist, make sure you've done everything, handed in the assignment, watched and viewed PowerPoints, took notes, watched the videos, read any articles that are posted, reviewed any links and their content. Continue to work on assignment 2, which is the kids' book for the fact sheets. It's due next week, just electronically. Attended class on Thursday, watched 3 videos from peers. So again, you can do this weekend, but if you don't worry, you'll have all of next week to do this. And make sure you just read through the presentation reflection here, just so you kind of know what you're going to be headed to do next week. And then next week, we're going to talk about tobacco use and cessation and halitosis. That's really the week in a nutshell. You're going to work on these PowerPoints. Within them, there are some questions for you, some places to take notes. Typically, when I do that, it's because those things might be in a test. So you want to make sure that you do pay attention to those prompts where I've prompted you. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget, you can always go over here for assignments as well on the side. So the assignment tab, and assignment 1 you can hand in there, and assignment 2 you can hand in there. We will talk about the rest of assignment 2 again in class on Thursday, and if you have anything else that you want to discuss with me, you can always stop by my office, you can email me, and I certainly will try to help you out. Take care.